Hello everyone, welcome to EnceptionEV. Today I am going to share you the updates about my project and the new tools that I have purchased for upgrading my workshop. Before I start today's video, I need to say something very important. We all know what's going on in Palestine, especially in Gaza, and you don't have to be a Muslim to understand their sufferings. Just be a normal human and think yourself in that situation. That will be enough to understand what suffering they are going through. I know we don't have much to do because the whole world is corrupted and our leaders, especially in Muslim countries, they all sold out. They just want to be happy and enjoy in this life. So being a true Muslim doesn't mean that you should love only yourself. You should love to the others. Either they are Muslim or non-Muslim. And we all have a duty to speak up from our position. It won't make any change, but still it will show the world which side you are on. And that's what I'm trying to do. Because I'm a coward Muslim, I don't have the Islamic mindset. That's why I'm hiding behind my cowardness and talking about this on a camera. May Allah forgive me. May Allah forgive all the Muslims are helpless, and may Allah ease the suffering of the people in Palestine and grant them as successful in this life and the next life. Let's talk about the project I'm working on. As you all know, I'm working on the prototype, and I have done so far now that I'm ready to start building the main physical components. So as I shared earlier that I have finished the MOSFET switch, and since that video I had to change all the elements. Even I had to redesign the MOSFET switch as well, which I will share in near future. And you all know this is my dream project, and I don't want it to be an open project, so that's why I'm trying to be as cautious and as confidential as possible to protect my project. That's why I'm not sharing much videos about the project. The battery pack is completed. I 3D printed the battery case. Soon I will paint it, and the charging enclosure already completed, but that version didn't work out because there are some design issues, some 3D printing issues. That's why the first version went waste, and I have updated the design and started printing it again. And that's all. Let's talk about the workshop. When I was sure that the first version is not working, then I stopped working on that and started working on the new design. And it's gonna take some time to print all of them, then putting together all the parts, setting up a jig. Once I do that, I will share some updates about it. Regarding the workshop, in my whole career as a professional graphic designer, or whatever I did in my previous works, I always prefer quality over quantity. So my always goal was make it perfect. I am trying to make something that will look great, pray for me, and pray for my project as well. Hard. It's really hard to financing my own project from my own pocket. It's really hard. I had about 20 kilograms of filaments last week. This week I only have 6 kilograms of filament. So in last 1 week I printed about 13 kilograms of filaments, which costs me a lot. And as I told you that it's not gonna work. I had to ditch everything, and I need to restock my filaments, which I will do in couple of days. Now let's share the new tools that I purchased to level up my production. Let's see. Although in my workshop there is not much light, but I hope you can see well. So this is the drill machine. It's a magnetic drill machine. I could go with a traditional bench drill machine, but I didn't like the look of it, and it was so old technology, and it's not very modular. So that's why I went with this model. It's Dongcheng brand, and it's 900 watt power, which is enough for my project. So that's the new tool in my workshop, that is a magnetic bench drill machine. Then here is the accessories for the uh, painting. So I purchased a 10 liter noiseless compressor, which I haven't received yet. That will be here today or tomorrow, I guess. But this is the gun. It's really it's the best option I found in my area. So this one for painting and this one is for just air. These are the drill bits. They are cheap one, but in high quality possible. And I bought this big monster vise. It's must needed, and I could go with something smaller, but I don't want to regret after buying something that someday will not fit. So that's why I went with the biggest one. And there are two F films to, because there will be a lot of uh, joining, so that's why they will help me glue parts together. And there is the vinyl cutter. Actually, I didn't have to purchase it. It was in my brother's shop, which business he recently stopped. So I took it from him, and I'm going to use it in my project because there will be a lot of paint jobs and lot of design elements. So that's why it's a very crucial and important tools in my project. That's all the new tools that I acquire. So that's all the updates I have right now. Also, there is some bad news that my workshop PC got damaged. I think the power supply has some issues, so that's why I needed to send it to the mechanic to fix it. And that's all the updates around my workshop. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned. Follow me for more updates. That's all, guys. Have peace. Bye.